Hey everybody, it's me, Brian. I am back for an AirPod update, the AirPods Pro. Still can't get used to that name. I think it's weird. AirPods Pro? I guess, yeah. Anyway, so my update is I am returning these today. I really like them for about the first 5-10 minutes tops after I put them in my ear. I did get a chance. Winter is now hit. We have snow outside. It is awful. But I did get a chance to wear these and actually mow the grass. And as soon as I put them in and I started the mower, I was like, I gotta keep these. This is amazing. And then about no more than 20 minutes in, I was like, these feel awful. I've tried every ear tip. The ones I settled on was the small because I thought, hey, maybe the smallest will be the best comfort wise, and I think they are, but they're just not for me. I still have the AirPods 2, I guess is what most people, it's the charging case, the wireless charging case version. I have these. I love them. I wear them all the time. So for me, I am keeping these. And I'm returning these today. Like I said, it's all up to you, but honestly... Okay, so note to self. Do not open the AirPod case if you use your iPhone to record the video because it totally messes up everything. So I am reshooting this second half. But I have returned the AirPods. I took them, I put them back in the original box, put the new label on, took them and dropped them off a little drop box. The issue is for me, they're not worth it. Even if I could just keep them in my ears for an hour, I think it would be more so worth it. But honestly, the sound quality is not really better. Obviously, with the enclosure, it sounds different. It might be a little more bassier and stuff like that because it's more in your ear. But overall, it's pretty much the same quality, which I'm not an audiophile at all. I pretty much always just listen to tech podcasts as I listen, as I do stuff with my AirPods. So, like I said earlier with the mowing, I was mowing, and when I first put them in, I was like, oh, it's amazing. But within like 20 minutes, it's something with the way it seals in your ears. Now, they do have like a little air gap thing or something that's supposed to help it not feel as pressured and all that stuff, but for me it didn't really help in the long term. Like I said, it was fine in the beginning, and the transparency mode is pretty it's pretty crazy. I think I like that mode better than the noise canceling just because it makes you feel like you don't have something stuck in your ears for a little bit. Obviously, still with that a little bit of time, my ears would start hurting even with transparency mode on. It wasn't, not pushing my ears out still. But overall, not a fan. I really hope that third parties can make some, like I've heard that the foam tips will fit better, do better at like more comfortable and all this other stuff rather than those silicone tips. Obviously, Apple went with the silicone tips, but I'm really hoping somebody like knocks off the connector and stuff like that and makes some foam tips. I wouldn't be surprised if those don't hit the market in the next month or so, especially with how popular the AirPods are. But until then, they're gone. I took them back. But yeah, so that's all for this video. If you like it, please feel free to hit that thumbs up. Comment down below on, did you buy the AirPods Pro? Do you like them? Do you have the original? Do you like those? Or is there some other pair that you like to use all the time? But yeah, feel free to comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!